Finally, we also have operations ongoing in Iraq. 3 suspected ISIS members were killed in a Kirkuk operation in Iraq in the last 48 hours. So ISIS has clearly been deployed and triggered in Iraq to attack the resistance factions there. And if we have a look at the kind of map of the region, you can see the filled in red circle is where the attacks by ISIS against Iraqi resistance factions took place near Kirkuk, again, very close to the Iranian border. Syria, in the view of the Zionist alliance, has been taken out of action. That remains to be seen. Of course, there are still resistance factions acting inside Syria, and the Syrian army soldiers that left into Iraq and Lebanon when Damascus fell in December last year. But you can see there that basically what Trump and Netanyahu are now doing, the ceasefire has allowed them to pivot back to try and weaken the 2 strongest resistance zones, which is Lebanon and Iraq, prior to then probably restarting the war against Iran. And I mentioned last week that we've started a blog or a section of the blog at UK Column News called Syria Centric, a regional analysis. And this week I'll be looking at the Iranian-backed Ring of Fire and all of the resistance factions that would be activated should there be a restart of aggression by Israel and the US alliance against Iran. And that should be published and up at the website tomorrow.